In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Canadian Tire Mastercard. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by going to Google, typing in activate Canadian Tire Mastercard, and then over here, the first website is going to be this one. It's going to say credit card activation. Just click on it. And whenever you do that, it's going to take you to their website over here, where basically you can select if you want to sign in to activate or if you want to activate without logging in. So of course, select the one that you want. I'm going to select this first one and press continue. And then you have two options here. The first one is if you do know your PIN, and the second one is if you don't know your PIN. So if you do, you can click on I know my PIN, click on continue here, and it's going to take you to step one, where you basically have to put in your card number and then the 3-digit security code, which as you can see here, you can find it over here at the back as it's showing here in this little image. And then when you do that, the second step will be verifying your identity, and then the third step will be creating a 4-digit PIN if you don't already know it. Okay, so that's basically how you activate it. However, over here, if I show you again, if you do not have the PIN or if you do not know the PIN yet, you can go ahead and click on I don't know my PIN, click on continue over here, and then from here, of course, you'll be able to get, as you can see, your card activated that way. And pretty much it's the same process except for this last step, where basically if you know the PIN, that's cool, but if you don't, you'll be able to create one. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.